love when my nails are done. Being a girl is fun. Change our minds. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we.
Hey y'all, it is your girl Candace Denise, and I'm back again with another video. I hope everybody's doing good, safe, sanitized, living, loving on the people that love on you, and pouring into the people that pour into you, because life is so short. You see I'm talking with my nails because I'm feeling them. But today we're getting into some more girly teens. It's a maintenance day, and when I say maintenance day, it's all about hair, nails, and I might do a little shopping, a little such and such, a little 1-2 later, but I'm not too sure, but we shall definitely see. But what I'll do first is insert the video of me doing my press-ons. I did my own press-ons, y'all, and the reason that I went ahead and did my own press-ons is because Cowboy Carter is coming up and a brand new set, and that's in like a week. And I was like, I'm not gonna get a fill-in and then a week later get them soaked off and get a whole brand new set. That's just a waste of money, a waste of time. So I was like, I'll take these off and make it work. So I'll show y'all that process, and I'll also show y'all some perfume oils that I picked up from the beauty supply. So I know we talk about, like, you know, being in our girly era and doing all those things that make us feel feminine and womanly and girly, and smelling good and looking good is something that I really rely heavily on. So I love a good smell good, and I love a little accessory. I love to be dainty. I love to be cute. I just love to be put together, y'all. That's a part of being that girl, seriously. So I'll show you some perfume oils I got, and I'll show you the stuff, the press-ons that I got, and I'll just show you that whole little process. So I'll be right back. So I got this Burberry Hurt. Now, I've actually never smelled it before, and I didn't have the perfume, but I see people talk about it a lot, and it actually smells really good. So I got Miss Girl, and I got Nicki Minaj Pink Friday. If you know, you know. She's that girl. She is definitely that girl. Every time I go in Ross, I try to find this perfume, but I can never find it. It's random when I can find it, but it smells so good. And then I also got the Dior J'adore. This is actually one of my favorite scents, and so definitely had to pick up the oil. This is the before. Chewed. Now I'm about to take my nails off. One down, 9 to go. Nails removed, so now it's time for these. Okay, first I'm gonna use my drill to just shape it. Turn this down a bit. Just to remove the shine from the nails. Pushing the cuticles back. Okay, now let's get ready to fill the nails. Or let's get ready to place the nails. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like the color. Am I tripping? These it is, I guess. And this is the finished product. I had to put some lotion on my hands. They're a bit ashy, but we got them together, y'all. All right, so now, y'all, we are about to go get my hair did. I did my scarf real cute this morning. I'll insert that as well.
Keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet, huh? Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me?
But I gotta get my hair done. Y'all don't want to see what it look like up under here. I'll show y'all when I take it off. Look at her. Okay, Ma. Yeah, I'm gonna go take her to Walmart and then I'm gonna go get my hair done, which is like right down the road. So let's go.
Till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. Took the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it pleads the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game. 'Cause I can never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Always on my heart like a tattoo. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Swear every time is the last time I let you get up under my skin. I wanna let the ink dry, but wanna try till it's right. Here we go again. If I am love and love is I need you more than I would admit. Please be kind to me, baby, like a weapon you'll slay me forever. Like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you. Ooh, love's a tattoo. Just like a tattoo. I'll always have you.
It's fine. You're perfectly fine.
Made a mistake. I was so bad. You could put the blame on me. You've been running through my mind, still in my dream. Baby girl, life without you just ain't as good as it seems. But if you meet me down the road, would you stay?
Hello. I'm doing well. How are you today? Good. I want to get some flowers. A little arrangement. But they'll get me some girl lunch. I'm gonna get some sushi and maybe have a glass of wine to wrap up the day. So let's go get some lunch, y'all. Oh my God. That's the washing machine going in the background, so please disregard. But I have made it home. It was a busy, busy day. A much needed day where I could get my hair done. I did my nails. I got some new perfumes. And I got me some sushi. So today was a win, y'all. And this sushi is just shrimp. It's got crab salad in it, and it's flash fried. That's all. And I don't know how to eat with. I think I did it. I do want to thank y'all so much for hanging with me and watching this video. Doing all the girly things, the feminine things. Let me know down in the comments if anything in this video resonated with you. Let me know what you do on your off days when you want to be girly or be feminine. Let me know what things that you do. And also, if y'all have any suggestions for any feminine videos or girly videos that you like to see, drop down in the comments and make sure that you let me know. Make sure you like this video. Make sure, of course, that you are subscribed to my channel. Have those notifications turned on so that when I post a video, you will know and you won't miss it. So I'm about to finish my lunch. Take a little snooze. And you just never know what the day will bring, but thank y'all so much for watching. I love y'all. And if no one else has told you that they love you, just know that Candace Denise does love you. I will see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it's your way, love, love, love.